the next day, I text him and I say, you know, some period come because look, me no remember if my period did come the first month. My period always come the first of the month. That's why my period never come in the early part, like from the first and me or the second or the third. Me just know say something wrong. Right? Me know say something wrong. But me can't remember if my period, I mean I say period long, I say period for 6 days and 8 days and them days. I mean I say period for 5 days. So I know myself if the period come up now, I want 5 days, I say period for. Anyways, now, after that, now, I say about I think on the same night, when he reached me, when he reached back at me, on the night, I said to him, say, you bring down my period, or something like that, I text him and say, you bring down my period, because I start see blood. Anyways, now, I think I did that see my period for about 3 days or 2 to 3 days or so. It never did go full to 5 days or so. Anyways, then I make joke about him bring it down and whatever. Because up till now, guys, I can't remember if I see my period. I can't tell you when my period come. I can't tell you a steady day now of when my period come. I can't tell you a date. I don't remember. Anyways, now, remember now. Anyways, now I stay back now. After all of that done and gone now, he never come back for a long period of time. He never come back. He no come back or nothing. And that was the first time we ever have sex. That was the first time we ever have sex raw when he coming at me. After that done and gone now, from one day I been feel sick. You guys might not know on Instagram because I'm hardly on my Instagram live. But mostly I'm mostly on TikTok. Hold on, let me plug in my phone. I'm hardly on Instagram live. I'm mostly on more than the people, most people were. Even though them always on TikTok, but not everybody on the TikTok so much. Anyways, now after that now, my TikTok people, them if them over here, them can comment in the comment and tell me if I lie me I tell. Now recently, you know, but I can't remember when, but I know in April. I can't cook. I'm not fair sit down. From what they I never think about pregnancy test or nothing, and the people them been tell me, you know. When me a cooking in the kitchen, one day I cook ackee and saltfish and rice. I couldn't stand up straight in the kitchen for cook. I feel sit down on the same white fucking chair. See there? That chair they have to live in my kitchen because I can't stand up. Me have to live on the chair sit down when I cook the ackee and something. I never take it serious because I'm a person who don't eat much. So many things they probably guess me off or whatever. One next time again, me on my life, I be asleep, I want to sleep. Every second every minute, I want to sleep. One at a time, I tell the people, them say, give me 1 minute, I'm going to use the bathroom and come. When you look, I straight in the bed, I'm going to lay down, never know some of the people them on the life, drop asleep. When I come back, the life ends because nobody in the life, so the life ends. But still, nobody paid no mind. I tell you, oh, we kind of find out. No, all of something that go on to me. I'm not even that know. You know, say people them say pregnant, but you know, say the people them love talk and the people them love exaggerate and them something. Them never that take them serious. One day, you know, me there in a time I play one live match, and me and O'Neal them and I remember first of on the live. Me and O'Neal and somebody else that play live match. And I said, me I come there go use the bathroom. So, anyways, you know. We go in the bathroom and use the bathroom to come out. But me the type of person, I don't just use bathroom and left bathroom. But see if me people in the bathroom or something and for wash my hand, I always have to squeeze one bump. I always have to do something. I can't just use the bathroom and come out. So when I use the bathroom, I stop and squeeze the bump now. After that, now, if I throw the way, I hang over because the glass are too close. I have to hang over because I want to close for squeeze the bump. So it looks like my breast now, because I have a brassiere. My breast will go hang over and long down now. Because you know if you hang over, so your breast eventually come down. So because my breast long. So I say, oh, my breast feels so tender. Pain, if that pain me right here, so I want pain like when somebody licking your breast, pain. So I say, no man, so I draw up my blouse and my look. Bear in mind, you see my breast, my nipple them like naturally big. They have big nipples. And you see the line with the road my breast, it big too, because some of my other breasts there. But when I look on it, there in the bathroom, it bigger than how it normally like how it feel. Me to say it big. So Me I said, no man, something alright. So me they get scared now. So if anybody up on my life can remember, so same time, me can't talk so loud because me all I feel like me have shorter breath. Like me have breathe too hard. Hold on. Anyways, now me dead now and me come now and when me look on it and I say big, me come from my life and I say, me start asking people them question. I say, what if the line around your breast really big? And then start, you're pregnant. Anybody who live on my TikTok live that day could tell you the sense of me now, tell no lie. I come on my life. When I bend over in the bathroom, I realize that my breast is big. So I say, no man, something wrong. So I say, I was on my TikTok live, so I said, if around your breast is big, what is the meaning of what is that? Everybody said, you're pregnant, do a test. But some of the people them love talk, I never pay them no mind. Anyways, no, people them never say, take a pregnancy test. That is the whole reason why I take the pregnancy test. I've been a feel away all along. Anyways, I'm going to stop back now. I'm going to buy the test. When I buy the test, I did the test on live. Yeah, I did the test on live. I mean, I want nobody tell me so I put my business out there because I was telling everybody, my sister, my mother, I tell everybody somebody feel away. And the only thing them say, oh, you have gas, all this. But the first time I come on social media, come tell people the first thing them can think to do a test. Nobody ever tell me that. Me not even that think that. When we do the test now, everybody I said them say 2 line. Me I said no, I 1 line. I say everybody I said them say 2 line. Fine. I went again and I did another test. Realized when I did the blue one where them say it's very accurate, it shows I'm pregnant. Somebody there me I think no, I'm gonna call Howie. I'm gonna say to him, you know what Howie said I need to go to the doctor for
and do him supposed to was a fuck.
yeah. Me don't want thing round me. Nothing on them too early. Sometimes I want to make man think them with a little pay. Nothing on them too early. From the moment you find out so you breathe smarty and you breathe the woman. When me got a guy now, I can't tell them say too early when me I pay me $350 down there. When I got a doctor today, I pay me $350 again. I can't tell them say too early. Me I have to fork up my money. When me I go back tomorrow and the next day, me have to fork up my $450 and my $350 them. You can't tell nobody say it early. In my work, you tell me say nah losing job for me. So you can't blood clot tell me say about early. You should have control your sperms. Come I never tell you someone why you breed me.
But Vani,
your blood clot.
you know, man. Some things have to skip off. Because this them
I have to pass nothing and eat and a media. But now I make the people them feel like say in there I make everything good just because I come here one Sunday come cook food and me and him alright. But now I pick up the no man, you know, take care of a picnic.
But that's not what I'm picking around him. That's all. I'm not care. I'm picking around him. He can't say anything, he can't do anything, he can't safeguard code. You can't make a code because you know push out and pick the boy and feel me. And one thing I know, no matter if you breed in America, anyway, pick the born, at this time I'm going to be a citizen. Baby make a Jamaican born in America, American citizen. Baby born in America, born a Jamaican citizen. That me know about. When I move to another state, for what is wrong with my state? There's nothing wrong with my state. My state is a lovely state. I don't want to mix with the crosses them. They want to move me, I move from here back to Jamaica. No other else move.
She can't confirm. The lady said she cannot confirm. I have that on record. I'm going to go for it because I was sick. I was hiding and recording what she was saying. Because we got mad in the car, so I went back in there again to ask her a question. I have her on record when she said I did not confirm. That's why I'm sending you to the hospital. I went there today. I said to her, can you tell me how far am I? She said she can't tell me nothing. She's going to send it back to my gynecologist. When she sent it back to my gynecologist, tomorrow my gynecologist will tell me how far am I when they send the pictures, because they can't tell me how far am I. Fine, no problem. Anyways, when I came out of the doctor room, he already went outside. Listen, the fun part of it. He already went outside talking on his phone. So I was talking to the doctor because she left me to do the blood test. So when I finished with the blood test now, when I went into the hall to get my papers, he wasn't inside, he was outside. This is what got me angry. When I went outside, I heard him on the phone. I heard him on the phone talking to somebody. This was his exact word. He was saying that, bro, something is not adding up, bro. Something is not adding up because this and that. That's what I came outside and hear him saying on the phone. Something is not adding up, bro, because this and that. So basically, you're telling me that I can't be, if I'm 3 weeks pregnant, 4 weeks pregnant, or 5 or 6 weeks pregnant, it is not your baby. So you're basically telling me that I'm fucking somebody else. Somebody got me pregnant and I'm trying to put it on you. That's what you're saying to me. Anyways, so that's what, it's clear. It is clear that that's what he is saying.